Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Honor 7C, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to open the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one with the moon. To enable the mode, simply tap on the icon. And to disable it, tap on the icon again. You can also press and hold on this icon to go to the Do Not Disturb mode preferences. And here we have a few options. First, we have only priority and priority interruptions allowed. We can tap on it. Here we can enable and disable reminders, events. We can tap on messages and select from whom we're gonna get the sound notification when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And you can select from anyone, contacts only, favorite contacts only, and none. I'm gonna select none. Below we have calls, the same option, but for calls. Let's select from favorite contacts only. And at the bottom we have repeat callers, and we can enable and disable this option. What this option does is basically if somebody calls you more than once within 15-minute period, the sound notification will go through. Of course, if you enable this option. Okay, let's go back. Below the priority we have block visual disturbances. We can tap on it, and here we can turn on block when screen is on and block when the screen is off by tapping the slider next to them. And here we have automatic rules. As you can see, we have 3 pre-existing ones. We can tap on one to edit it basically and enable it by tapping the slider right here. We can enable it, tap on rule name to change the name of the schedule. Tap on days to select the days on which the schedule is gonna be active. For example, let's select weekend days, like this. Below we have start time. Here we can set the hour on which the schedule is gonna be turning on. We can swipe up and down right here to change the hour, then minutes, and at the end we have AM and PM. Same for end time, basically the hour on which the schedule is gonna be turning off, like that. Below we have Do Not Disturb preferences. Here we can select one of the profiles, priority only, alarms only, or total silence. I'm gonna select total silence. And at the bottom we have option that alarm can override the end time, and you can enable it or disable it. You can also add your own schedule by tapping add more, selecting the type, for example time rule, entering the name, then tap OK. And again you can edit these settings like we did before, and you can enable or disable your schedule. You can also remove the schedules by tapping the bin icon right here in the top right corner and selecting delete, like that. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.